Welcome to my channel, Gosia Art Home Cooking. Today I'd like to show you how I make a sweet potato curry with shrimps. It's a very nice recipe. I hope you like it. Oil. I use the avocado oil, 2 tablespoons. The oil is hot. Half a chopped red onion. I saute onion for about 1 minute. Garlic, 3 cloves. Chop and ginger. Right now I put the 1 tablespoon. I will put the 2 tablespoons. I love ginger. They give a very nice taste to my curry. Sweet potato. I have 2 sweet potatoes, and so pepper just a little bit, and 1 cup of water pour over the potatoes and onion. And I will cook for about 15 minutes. Put the lid on. Cook sweet potato and stir about 50 minutes. And potato are pretty soft. I add some more water. Now I can add all the ingredients. It's very important because I want to put tomato. And when I put the tomato too early, the sweet potato will stay hard. So next time export tomato when I have chopped tomato. That will be 1 cup of garbanzo beans. And 1 can of coconut. Wow, coconut milk. I use this brand. It's pretty nice. You can use any coconut milk. Next part, 1 tablespoon of curry paste. This curry paste is kind of like a salty, so later on I can put a little bit more if it's not enough. And let's go just cook on high heat. And stir. Now I'm adding shrimps, 1 pound. Will be a very nice meal. Next part, I have 2 cups of spinach. I have frozen spinach. Will be beautiful dish. A little bit green and green chopped onion, half a cup. I will cook just for 2 minutes. Shrimps change color, pink. I don't want to overcook. Let's go try. And more curry paste. It's very spicy. It's a wonderful dish. Very simple. It looks beautiful. And a little bit lemon or lime to taste. It's just 1 teaspoon. For this amount of sweet potatoes and shrimps, I put 2 tablespoons of curry, half a lemon, and looks like the sauce is nice, much thicker, and the taste is right, it's just perfect. The sweet potato curry with shrimps is done, and if you like this video, make sure you give the thumb up and subscribe for more delicious recipe. I put a recipe once a week. Thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego.